First, you'll find the software settings at the top right corner of the home page. Click here to access it. Select General to choose your desired language, configure the scanner's M-key function, and enable or disable the project naming pop-up, among other options. Click File Path to set the default save path for files or screenshots. Click PC Performance to see the minimum PC requirements. You can also check your PC's performance to determine whether it can run Revopoint 5 Metro X smoothly. On the left side of the home page is the navigation bar. Click to switch between the Home, Learning, and Contact Us pages. In the bottom left corner of the home page, you'll find Scanner Calibration. Click here to check the scanner's accuracy and start the calibration. After successfully connecting the scanner, click New Project on the home page to enter the project interface. The software defaults to marker scan, but you can switch to feature scan based on your needs and the objects involved. On the left side of the project interface, you will find the camera preview windows that change based on the following modes selected. When using cross lines or parallel lines mode, click Auto to let the software adjust the depth camera's exposure and laser brightness, or adjust manually using the slider. When using full field mode, click Auto to adjust the depth exposure automatically or manually adjust it with the slider. Aim to keep the object's surface as gray as possible. The camera's 90 degrees orientation button is in the upper right corner of the preview window. When using the scanner in landscape orientation, click it to change the orientation of the camera preview and scanning image display. The central preview window is located at the center of the project interface. It allows you to view real-time data capture while scanning. The scanning distance indicator on the right shows whether the distance between the scanner and the object is optimal. It's recommended that the bar remain as green as possible during a scan. After a color scan, you can switch between the colored and non-color scan data in the upper right corner of the central preview window. You can see the scanner's frame rate on the right side of the project interface. Below it are the scanning controls, such as start, pause, etc. The scan settings are below the controls. The first is scanning mode, which can be set as needed. Videos and operations. If you initially selected marker scan, you can choose between marker tracking or global marker tracking here. The next is the object type. The types available depend on the scanning and tracking modes you select above. If using the base removal function on the lower right side of the project interface is turned on, the software automatically detects and deletes unwanted flat surfaces like tables or floors. Scanning distance adjusts the operational range of depth cameras, enabling them to disregard unwanted objects in the background or foreground. The markers need to be placed on or around the objects, ensuring at least 5 markers can be detected per frame. When placing the markers, stick them on flat surfaces rather than curved surfaces. Don't use soft pads or cloths with markers, as any deformation on their surfaces will affect the scan accuracy. 2. Scanning spray requirements. 3. Line scanning mode can also scan glossy metal or black surfaces without using a scanning spray. This mode is better for detailed scenes and models but scans slightly slower than the cross-line scanning mode. Once you connect the scanner, click New Project on Revopoint 5 Metro X's homepage, and the software will automatically enter marker scan. On the software's right side, find Scanning Mode and select the parallel lines. Select your object type, in our case, choose Metallic Shiny Object. Turn on the auto mode at the top left above the depth camera preview window to automatically adjust the camera's depth exposure and laser brightness. Disable the automatic exposure if you want to manually adjust it. The full-field scanning mode uses blue structured light and offers fast scanning speed, enabling rapid point cloud capture for feature-rich objects. 1. Marker scan and feature scan are both available for this mode depending on your object type. 2. Scanning spray requirements. Connect the scanner, then click New Project on Revopoint 5 MetroX's homepage. The software will automatically enter marker scan. Click here to switch to feature scan. On the software's right side, find Scanning Mode and select the full field, then set the object type to General. Turn on the Auto mode at the top left above the depth camera preview window to automatically adjust the camera's depth exposure. Disable automatic exposure for manual adjustments. Ensure the whole object shows gray. Adjust the distance between the scanner and the object until the distance indicator bar is between good and excellent. When you finish capturing the object, click here to end the scan. After the scan is finished, enter the post-processing interface. Use the tab. You can also manually edit the model step by step, following the order of point cloud fusion, mesh, and texture mapping. In Fusion, you can modify the point distance to suit your needs and eliminate markers from the point cloud. During Fusion, the raw point cloud data is combined into a comprehensive point cloud model. After Fusion, you can use additional point cloud editing tools to further enhance and optimize the model. If using the full field or auto turntable mode in marker scan, you can use the Fusion Optimize function to enhance the details effect when fusing the model. Set the desired mesh quality in Mesh to generate a mesh model. Then, use editing tools to further refine the details. If a color scan was performed, you can texture the model after meshing to create a realistic colored model. The model panel is on the left side of the post-processing interface. You can use the keyframes edit function here if the data was captured in full field or auto turntable mode. The selection toolbar, located on the right side of the post-processing interface, allows you to manually select unwanted data for editing or deletion.